Hi, I'm Fatima Fofana with LookToTheStars.org, and we're here this morning for the National Kidney Foundation's Celebrity Golf Classic. Tell us your involvement with the National Kidney Foundation today.
This is my first appearance at the request of Mr. George Lopez to attend today's event. Like I stated earlier, I've had personal experience with family members who are kidney patients, and my mother who just recently has been. She is not a recipient of a kidney transplant yet, but she may possibly be a candidate. So it's something I've been dealing with in my own family.
I always see things in the paper or on the news about people that are donating a kidney to someone who needs it, and every time I read that, I'm stunned at the generosity of someone to do that. And I think to myself, would I be able to do that to someone, either to a family member or even a complete stranger? And you know, it's the most amazing gift you can give. It's a gift of life. So I thought, well, you know, this is a good cause. So here I am.
What other good causes are you involved with lately?
I'm involved pretty heavily with the Ovarian Cancer Research Fund. My mom passed away from ovarian cancer in the mid-'80s, so that's an organization that I participate with. God's Love We Deliver, which is another great organization in New York, actually, and they deliver meals to people that need them. So a couple, you know, and then if anyone else calls and needs like a little, whatever I can bring to a cause, I'm happy to participate.
Well, thank you so much. You're going to play a good game of golf, right?
We're going to play golf.
I think it's important, one, that, we if all we have to do is lend our time, that, what's the problem? You come out and have a great time in the sun, but the important cause, for me, I hadn't experienced anyone or any situation with kidney disease until about 4 years ago. My mother-in-law, a friend of hers, daughter, a young lady, she's about 20-something, and had kidney disease and was dealing with it for 3 years. And was going to dialysis. It was bad. And after 3 years, they found out, and they didn't even think about it, her mother was a match. So her mother gave her kidney, and her name is Ashley, and she's doing wonderful now, and young, vibrant life, and just to see that up close, that was the first time I had really, heard of it or dealt with it, as opposed to hearing it about, Sean Elliott from the NBA and Alonzo Mourning, who both have kidney disease. So that was up close and personal for me. So, when George asked, I said, yeah, I'll be there.
The thing that's probably closest to me is that I didn't know I was sick, and I lived my life when I could have been diagnosed and lived healthy, maybe even saved my kidneys. So my biggest thing is prevention and getting people to the doctor of all ages, because it affects everybody. The camp is set up with facilities for care and doctors. So I've been to the camp. It's a tremendous thing, and also it goes to to fund the National Kidney Foundation, and it goes to awareness and to all of those things all around the country.
Tell us why you're here to support George Lopez and the National Kidney Foundation.
Well, any kind of health issue that, I've been out to Autism, Speaks, and George Lopez's foundation for, the National Kidney Foundation is a way that we can give back and help use whatever goodwill we have to help something that's a good cause. So, and play a little golf and meet some good friends. So that's the whole idea behind it.
Do you have any other charitable works that you're involved in?
Yeah, my wife and I are involved in St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, and also Autism Speaks. So, yeah. Anything
upcoming with regards to those programs?
Right now, no. There's a couple tournaments back in New York. We live in New York now. We're doing the show Gossip Girl there, so it's the season finale is winding up, and we're on hiatus now. So we'll be back and forth in the next few days. I'll be having dinner at the White House next week for the Creative Coalition, another foundation that I'm working. So I'm really excited about meeting the president and all that stuff. So.
Thanks for watching. LookToTheStars.org.